Oh, I was like, oh, there you go. Live stream. Let me open this shit.
I got 69 viewers.
They're all from Hansel's stream.
I know.
How many of those
Thanks,
are talking
Hansel.
shit?
I mean, no problem. I feel bad because I bet they're all saying mean stuff.
It's no problem.
Oh my god, Hansel's stream is insane.
What do you mean?
Some of the jokes being made right now are just so fucked up.
Yeah, I'm just not even reading it. That's why I feel bad. Like, I'm trying to, like, but you can't really control the chat. You can only really, like, choose how to react to it, honestly.
Like, your stream isn't that corrupt. It's actually not
Yeah,
corrupt.
no, it's just, they're usually very nice people, but, like, I don't know.
Compared to everyone else's streams. Oh,
Yeah, my stream
Holy
is
fuck,
very
I'm
nice.
lagging.
They're all
300
really good
MS.
people.
oh
Okay.
Propel's getting the DDoS. What? He trinketed my fucking stun
Can we
to.
fear, Druid?
Okay,
I can
everything
fear
is just instantly purged. It's
Let's fear
bullshit.
Druid. Fear Druid. Beat down Warrior, okay? Fuck this.
I'm triggered
So much
shit.
damage. Spinning.
Aww.
I can fear him. I feared him.
Lock text. Stunning Sham. Oh, never mind. What the fuck?
Yo, the druid's just killing himself.
Yeah, I'm gonna hit Druid actually. I'm overextending. Fuck this, YOLO.
Yeah, good.
Dude, they're both on me.
Rooted.
I know. Fucking
Okay. Just
shockwave.
spread dots. The Druid's like
I'm
downstairs,
bubbling
man.
this
We can
shit.
just
Alright, I'm jumping down and coming back up Propel, so. Yeah,
Use
they
that
both.
clone. Oh, that might juke me. Kick clone. I'm okay.
Yeah, you're good.
Dude, enhance off here.
Hitting Warrior pretty hard.
I hazard, bitch.
Nice Haj. Nice. Can you fear off? Or clone?
Yeah, fearing. I got it. No, I didn't. What the hell? I just.
It just broke, I
I'm gonna.
think. There's skin. Let's swap Druid, yo. Get full dots on him right now.
I do have full dots on him.
Yeah.
I don't have wings for a while.
I'm spinning on Druid.
Oh, he shared me. He
Okay.
shared me.
Oh, you just live. I'm gonna
I'm
kill this
jumping
shit.
down and coming back up. I'm good.
Okay.
I'm bash. Oh my god, please bump me. Oh no. He's gonna clone me. Fuck.
No.
I can.
It's okay. I'll cover for you. I hazed him. JK.
Nice,
Okay, I'm
kill
dead.
Druid. Kill Druid.
He shared me.
Stun
I'm
PR.
gonna die. I
Hold
think.
on, I have to peel.
Okay, I should peel. Oh my god. Rally.
Fuck me.
Alright, we can switch to it really hard right here.
Okay, let's watch out, Propel. You
Yeah.
gotta live.
No,
We're gonna steal
I'm
Druid.
dead.
I feared everything. Please, no, Propel.
Why'd you bubble so early?
I don't
Oh
even.
my god. Kill the Druid.
Because I played bad that game.
Kill, he's by the pillar. I'm gonna execute him. Oh my god, spinning. Fuck. Maybe I traveled too hard, actually. Maybe that was my fault.
No, it's my fault.
Oh man, we lost.
Nah, it's okay. It's fine. We can't win every single game.
I thought you said we were gonna win every single game, you said.
We were going to, but when it's that
You
calm,
didn't keep your word, Propel.
when it's that
We were
calm,
going to it.
we're gonna lose
But
But
that
you
against that.
said every single game, though. That means every comp.
We were going to, and then she bubbled while we were all at full health. I think it was a misclick.
Oh shit, did you fat finger it?
I don't know what I did. Just fucking sick of people. Pestling.
I didn't mean that, guys.
Every single that game, every single thing was fucking purposely.
Oh,
Like in the opener,
I just got why everyone's freaking out about that.
like in the opener last team, like I sacked, it was instantly gone, and then like when you got to like 50% or something, I bopped you, it was instantly gone. Like every single time, I even like spam rebuffed and it was gone. So fucking stupid.
Holy
it-
shit, my chat's so toxic when I play with you. This is
Yeah, it's so toxic right now.
That's because they're all fucking RBG faggots who don't have a life. Just
Hey, I'm an RBG faggot.
Like,
oh,
no
fuck.
skill RBGs. Like, go play arena.
What do you mean? I was
Doing everything. Stun the Sham, no tremor. Get something on Pally.
I'm gonna hatch
Wait,
bitch.
he's
Okay, you stunned him. Never mind. I guess I'm gonna hatch Hunter then.
Yeah, that's good, that's good. I'm just spinning.
Oh, I'm done.
You have crows on you. It's survival crows though. You have beacon. Well trapped.
Oh, that Pally juked me. What the? That's not good.
We
I
okay?
can tap you out of this as long as I don't sit more
I'm popping
CC.
heals.
I just said I was gonna tap you out
I
of
should
this.
okay.
What
I
the
trust
fuck?
you.
Okay. I'm gonna go hatch probably.
Let's take damage. Yeah.
Yo, I'm bringing the enhance over here.
Yeah,
if you
yeah,
want-
let's hit the enhance. Anything on Pally? Can you clone it?
Yeah.
I mean, never mind. I'm stupid. I forgot you're not.
Yeah, I'm not.
Big damage.
I'm fucking.
I get a fear.
Yeah, get a fear, get a fear.
I juked Windshear.
Oh my
I feared.
God.
I feared.
That's nice. Stunned. Oh fuck, DR stun. DR
What are you
stun that heal.
fearing?
DR stun that heal.
Are you fearing?
nice.
He's gonna
Kill,
trap me. I'm coming to you. I'm rooted to fuck.
I'm standing on top of you.
JK, he's
so.
gonna get it.
What? What? I was standing.
Hush, give me. Get my hush.
I don't
He's in
want
the
to. I don't want to. I'm in a full trap.
I could have
I
reflected
bopped
that.
you.
Oh fuck.
I lock Pally. I lock
I'm
Pally.
rooted.
Yeah, you're dead, you're dead.
I'm gate.
Nah.
Propel, can you take my gate?
I can stun
Yeah,
Pally.
yeah,
Oh my
well.
god. Fucking idiot. Oh my god, I'm so bad at this game. I'm
God,
a fear
I
pal.
was fucking rooted the whole game.
Hitting Hunter. He bopped it.
I can
I
fear.
got it.
Yes, fuck.
No, I just dispelled
Fearing.
you.
Fearing.
I'm triggering this
Kill,
shit.
kill.
It's CR. Yeah, can you get anything off?
No,
Aw.
I got a lock in a second.
Yeah. I'm hitting Sham.
Okay.
Oh,
that's
let's go
bad.
Pally.
I
Let's go
locked. I
Pally.
locked.
Go Pally, he has no bubble then. You can't bubble for 2. I'm stunning him. DR. Spinning. I'm harsh, please get me. Please propel, please.
I'm bubbling this one. There.
Okay,
Oh my god. Fuck. I
that was
can't.
an execute.
Yeah, I know,
Let's go,
and I
spinning.
couldn't.
Spinning. Kill the pal. He's gonna get bubble.
I have
bubble.
Hodgin too. Oh, okay.
Shattering it. Yeah, Hodge Pally ready too.
I locked him.
That's
Kill
nice. Hodge him.
I
Nice,
did.
we win. Oh my god.
There we
Get
won.
fucked.
A lot of times I couldn't
Yeah.
dispel you.
1800 for life.
I know, we
It's
own.
like fucking top shelf in RBGs.
Wait, is Top Shelf good?
Top shelf's like 2K, but like he'll queue into anyone because he doesn't care. So like he'll queue into ABN 100 times. He just doesn't care.
Well, I respect that actually. Most people wouldn't do that. I just got my 1750 achievement, guys.
Oh wait, you got your 1750?
Yeah. Thanks for Propel.
Team No Filter is looking good here, boys.
Oh yeah.
It's not Team Hansel.
We need more kickbotting from you.
I don't have a kickbot. If I did, I wouldn't get juked.
I know.
I play on Mac.
You play on a Mac?
Yeah, college.
Oh, fair enough. Which college did you go to?
Villanova.
Where?
Villanova.
Villanova. Nice.
Computer science. Fucking. That's what I majored in. I kind of like it.
Not surprised, dude.
Why?
You know, gamers, taking computer science and shit, like,
Yes.
makes sense.
Today, I'm home because I haven't had class this week and baseball's off. And because I play baseball at Villanova.
Oh, nice. So you're not that nerdy, you do sports.
No, yeah, I barely play this game once in a while. Actually, I'm on all the time, but still, it's nobody's business. I like took my car to go get it fixed because I accidentally blew the engine on it,
Oh, fuck.
and
Not good.
I had a
Fish up.
He's gonna call me. He's gonna please. Oh,
Oh, sorry. Big damage,
Wait,
get something on Shaman.
stun him. I'm fearing.
Nice,
I got a full fear.
nice.
I'm gonna hodge. I'm gonna hodge Fro on that. Don't trinket. I just
Oh,
spelled
okay.
you. This
I'm hitting
Vulture
Feral too then. We're just melting everything, yo. I'm rooted. Yeah, dude, you're melting everything, man. I like this. I'm just gonna spin right
I
here.
refeared him. I refeared him.
I want to go Feral, dude. Spinning. It's spinning on everything. Okay, am I gonna... Okay.
I'm gonna frame you
I
in a
wish this
sec.
guy would
Frame you.
cast.
I'm capped, get me?
I got it.
Nice,
I got
nice.
that too.
Nice,
Yay.
some Hunter, stunning Hunter.
Oh, I got stunned.
Right, reflect clone.
Nice.
I'm hitting the pet, Mufasa.
Everything's DRS done.
I'm gonna hit
What
Shaman
the
a little
fuck?
bit.
He was in
If-
human form. I'm stunned. He's gonna call me
Kick
full.
off,
He's
kick
gonna call me full.
I kicked it.
Okay.
Can we get dots out on Shaman or on everything? I'll
Oh,
stun the
he kicked
Shaman.
me. He's
Dots the
gonna
Shaman, dots the Shaman.
trap
Dots the
me.
Shaman.
I
gonna
already
bubble-
had that on.
I'm gonna bubble this and bop you.
Fucking rooted, yo. I'm hitting the Shaman, fuck this. Oh, never mind. He doesn't win one. Or he had it.
I stabbed that
That's
clone.
nice.
I kicked it too.
Holy shit. I'm gonna just kill the Shaman right now.
There's wall.
Kill the
I
Windwalker.
wish I could get to the shaman. Oh,
Fuck, he's
I'm
gonna.
raping him.
He called me
Stunning him,
full.
spinning. He could die right here. Anything on...
if
I can
get
hodge
to
him out, but
He's gonna-
I'm gonna see
Yeah,
soon.
DR hodge him. Oh, he linked. I'll kill it.
Oh, I got
Just told
frozen.
you.
Oh, can you grab it?
I'm stunned.
Oh, I
You're
got.
Checking this.
stunned.
But I'm chasing. I don't give a fuck. I'm playing offensive.
I stunned
Right there,
everything
you
for
got
you.
one.
That's. Hitting Druid a little bit. We can swap Shaman next time. You ready?
Yeah,
Yeah,
go,
I have a
one
full hodge.
thing. I got.
You hodge then.
I will. Grounding's
Go,
up.
right here.
Grounding's up.
Get it.
Go, I got
Go,
it.
go,
Nice.
Hearing feral.
Kill. Okay, nice. Yeah, that was not too bad.
Stop phone.
Nice.
I love feral damage. They do absolutely no damage. It's so easy to play.
Did you just say Ferals do no damage?
I was joking.
Okay.
This game is fucking dumb.
Alright.
Oh, look at that damage.
Guys,
Fuck.
if we could get me 2K MMR, I'll like die happy.
Dude, look at that damage. I'm at 5 million.
Oh shit. You're
Yo,
real as
fuck,
fuck.
man. Fuck that feral, yeah.
Oh man, the shit talks disappeared for a little bit. That's kind of nice. Oh shit. I never. Damn. People can get really mean on this online. People are really mean. It's weird because like when I'm just chilling with my stream and just chatting with them about random stuff, they're so nice, but like I've never seen this side of them. This is like mind blowing to me. I thought they were nice people. I'm sure some of them are still nice though, but no, you guys are so bad at 1800 get 2K. Guys, I'm bad, okay? I don't play Warrior, but I'm gonna play a lot and I'll get
Guys, I'm carrying as hard as I can.
Yeah, he's doing a good job, guys. This is your first day on the internet? Well, I mean, I'm just used to you guys being nice, you know? Like, you guys are usually really nice. That's all I'm saying. What up, Shane Roche? Yeah, I did, Joshua. Unreal, huh? It was actually yesterday. I forgot to refresh that, actually. I mean, I should probably do that. Alright. I think I'll do, like, 2 more games, okay, guys?
So I'm trying my
Okay.
heart out, guys.
Oh, wow, we got a nice comment there. He says, "You're doing good, man." We got one nice comment here, boys.
No, you're doing well. You're doing well. Come on, correct grammar. Whoever wrote that.
So you're doing good. You're doing well. Damn, time goes so fast. Fuck.
Pestlin.
Okay. Oh. Wait, what?
Did you see my real ID?
Yeah, yeah. It's Hansel Gaming though, okay? Get it right. God.
Oh, my bad. Well, if you type in Hansel, you come up like it's like you type in McDonald's and McDonald's comes out.
What? Oh shit, what am I doing?
I'm just spam hodging this bitch.
Nice, nice, good stuff. I can free off, I can free off.
I'm stunned. I'm
Up here.
stunned. You have sec on you.
I'm spinning,
Go
fuck
ham.
this.
Or master's up. Go ham. Go ham. Go ham. Bring me
Fearing
up.
Druid.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
got a full
yeah,
fear?
yeah.
Did he trinket it? I can't see.
Oh my god, kick Druid,
Yo, I
kick
locked
Druid,
one.
kick Druid.
Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. You're lying. You're lying. You're lying.
Yeah, sorry, I'm just ramboing. I don't
No,
give a
no,
fuck.
no.
I'll
It's
stun
fine.
Druid.
It's fine. It's fine.
I'll stun Druid in two.
I'm bopping you.
Stunning Druid, get a fear off this. If you can.
I'm stunned.
Druid pulled kicks. Got the fear.
Nice, wow, you're pro.
Fuck
Watch
me.
Propel.
You're
Propel, am I
dead.
just
No,
dead?
no.
I
Propel,
just.
am I just dead?
Yeah. I just said you're dead. Like.
Oh my god.
Who fucking like randomly reflects out of that? Like who fucking does that?
Alright, I'll do one more, guys.
Like
I'll do one
who randomly like he just randomly reflected a Hodge out of nowhere.
Propel, yo, I got both the jukes and got the fear.
more. Yeah, he did good job. He did good job.
Yeah, and I Hodged the warrior so you could maybe won the shaman, but he fucking reflected. Like who randomly reflects like that?
Like, I did that one game, remember? And reflected Hodge randomly. He probably was saying the exact same thing.
I'm just gonna start banning people. I don't give a fuck. I'm just
No, don't do that. Don't
not
do that.
not in your chat, my chat.
Okay.
Don't do that, don't do that.
No, because I don't want people banned in my chat. I literally like don't ban anyone. People should talk to me all day. I've never banned them. Actually, except for like one. There's this one day I ban people, but I usually don't ban people.
He got lucky from that random reflect on Hodge. That's all what happened. Should have bubbled instead of trinketed.
Propel, you gotta read this book that I just read. It's called The Four Agreements. It teaches you how not to give a shit what people think about you. I think it would really help you in life. I'll ship it to your address if you want. If you promise you read it.
Passly. Literally was the luckiest fucking reflect. Like,
Alright, last game.
Yo, Propel, don't fuck up.
Yeah, we better win, guys.
we would have won the last game. You just got a random reflect, and I should have bubbled it instead of trinketed
Yeah,
it.
yo, I like got the fucking sick
I'm
juke.
gonna try so hard.
Okay.
What the hell? No path available? I'm chilling. Oh, what?
Stop showing Fear no tremor.
Dude, I had this bitch
Alright,
back here.
Tremor
I'm
late,
going
tremor late.
I'm
fucking
one
ham.
shotting him.
Oh, watch me. I'm cloned.
You're fine. I'm stunned.
Nice, you're fucking that
Look at
warrior,
this.
yo.
We just said that like a long time ago.
No, I mean, he was actually dying, though. Killing stream.
Kill him and walk.
Killing fire up.
I locked Druid.
Yeah, I'm
Nice,
gonna
nice.
hodge him over here. He
Some warrior then.
doesn't. He's not
Yeah, do
gonna
this.
expect
Big down
it. There it is. Bam.
Big down. Yeah,
I
spinning.
nest you. I'm hexed.
Is he on Druid?
I'm triggering shit.
I'm kicked. I can.
I'm stunned.
I'm going for a fear. Oh wow.
Reflect
that-
clone! Kill the Strom.
He trinketed. He's still trying to get a clone on me.
Oh,
I can't do it.
I'm bopping
What's
you.
up? Well, yo, get Johnson Druid. We can swap Druid, actually.
I already have full dots on me.
Okay,
I have
I'm gonna go
Hodge.
Druid. I stun Druid.
Fucking
Hodge the
bubble.
DPS.
Okay.
Oh, Hodge Druid off this. Yo, okay, never mind.
I can stun that out.
I can
stun
get
that.
your
Nice,
root in a
nice.
sec.
Kill. Execute. Oh my god. Okay, I tried really hard that game, guys.
I noticed.
I'm
Alright.
getting
And
so
you
many
ported my
whispers,
heal,
I
nice,
feel so
beautiful.
popular. Yo, you killing with Hansel? Fuck yeah.
Hey, someone said that?
Yeah.
Yeah, with this warrior.
Yo, Propel, I'll accept carries and gold.
What?
Alright, guys, I'm gonna bounce out of here. I'm gonna go watch Saw, but thanks for the games, guys. I'm sorry, Propel, for the hate. I don't know like what to do about it. I
It's
can't like
nothing.
control the
It's
chat.
nothing you can do. It's just people being assholes.
Yeah, and yo, Pornhub, thanks for playing. I hope
No
you don't
doubt,
think I'm a
yo,
shit warrior.
anytime. Anytime, I don't care. That was
Alright,
fun spot.
dude, will you play again with me sometime?
Yeah, I just said anytime, yo. I don't care.
Okay, okay, sweet. Alright, have a good night, yo.
Later.
Peace out.
Okay. Hello?
Niggers.
What?
What?
What'd you say?
Nothing. 1 second. Hello?
Hello?
I had to turn up my Skype. What's up? What's up?
What are you doing?
Nothing. Just chilling. I actually just really wanted to call and say fuck niggers. Because
Cause you know
I hate them.
Cause you know I'm streaming.
No.
Yeah.
No. You're streaming?
You know I'm streaming. That's why you called me. What do you mean?
You. Oh, so we don't talk about the KKK on stream?
You're being an idiot. He's being an idiot. Get Barry in call. Okay. Tom did. Here's my Skype. How am I stupid? Oh, I didn't need to repair. He added me.
Oh, stop. God, why would you kick me? I'll stop, alright?
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's up?
Nothing. I'm just trying to get Barry in here. Call?
Hello?
Barry!
Yeah. Yo,
What's
up,
up?
Barry?
What are you doing?
Oh god, this call smells like sweat.
I know. I've been exercising all day just for you,
God,
Barry.
I wish Lexi is in this call. She's so much hotter than you big, fat, smelly sack of shit! Fuck you! You suck!
Holy shit.
You suck it now, bitch! Whore! Whore! I'm gonna DDoS! We'll get through that proxy, slut!
Oh.
Oh no! What medic? What? I'm a medic. Did he leave?
Oh my god, it's so funny. Holy shit. That was so funny. Oh my god. There are tears of laughter.
Can I drag a homie? Alright, I'm dragging a homie.
Yeah, drag a homie.
Dragging a homie. Oh shit. Green light.
Oh, it's Floofy. Damn, I'm getting more
Yeah.
more Skypes by the minute.
Don't harvest them, alright?
Harvesting Skypes all day because, you know, I'm a DDoSer even though I'm not, so, you know.
Alright. Just don't knock off the boy Flip, alright? Yeah, green light. That guy right there. Yo, what's up, Astora? Threes? Hello, Astora?
Hello.
He's in the call, he's just afraid to talk.
Oh.
Hey, Vistora, and Floof QT. Hello?
I'm doing twos with pieces at the moment. Okay, who's banning people? Someone's banning people in my stream. I don't appreciate that.
Yo, can you mod me? I'll fix it.
You're right, you're probably ban people too.
No, I don't have mod. How can I do that? Mod me, please.
I think you already have mod.
Nah, I just said. Nah, I don't.
See? You just typed.
Second, let me just drag in the squad, alright?
Okay.
Green light? Can you green light?
I'm trying to. Okay, try again. My bad.
No, not that guy. This guy.
Add him again. I didn't have it full screen, so I wasn't able to click him in time.
Holy crap. Okay.
Okay. I don't see him.
Fuck, alright.
Okay, there. I see him.
I don't know who that is.
I called him.
Okay, I'm just gonna reach out, okay? Alright. Okay, alright. It's 4chan, man. I only mod multi-glans and rank 1s. This isn't a position. Damn savage, lol. Then what? Then when do I get my mod? Please
Stop
mod
banning
me.
people.
Love
Holy
the stream.
shit.
Who the hell is this mage? Is he elite? The N-word. Propel is the new Casey Tron of WoW. LMAO, sup, hi. I think you should stay with Druid. I'd like to watch you learn how to Druid.
I will.
she
As
gonna
soon as I
repair
find,
herself?
as soon as I find a mage to combat RMD, then I'm gonna play Druid. I refuse to play anything else. Cause
Man, I can't
It's
see
free-
shit and
it's
I
free
have the
rating.
Censosaurus.
it's free rating when I play that.
And her shit cam is so big. I like your border. That a face only a mother can love.
Oh,
Everybody's getting banned.
people need to stop banning people. That's why they're leaving.
That a face only mother can love. Oh, that's fucked up.
A face only a mother could love.
Someone said, ban me? Alright, yeah, I'll ban you. And
Look
Let's
how,
just message
look how
him.
big this cat
Please.
is.
your cat is like super fat.
I know. He eats a lot. He eats more than I do.
Crap. Holy shit. Do you guys like share food? Yo, Ride, what's up?
We share food.
Yo, Ride. Nishnar Scar Stee Store Car.
Yo.
Right? Nish Garty Sarty Darty Gart.
E.
Narcissus?
I only took us one trip. The dream is still alive.
What happened to that bedtime? Yo.
Yo.
What happened to that bedtime?
What do you mean?
He's talking about me. I usually have to sleep at 8 p.m.
Oh. Why are you like 15?
No, I'm 18.
Oh. This is the other kitty. This is the orange face one. My daughter's at her dad's till Friday.
Yo,
Can I meet your daughter?
What?
Can I meet your daughter?
Okay. Y'all can meet my daughter.
Can I,
How old is
can
your
I
daughter?
keep up with her?
Can
One
you?
on one.
Can you what?
What? How old's your daughter?
She's 14.
Oh,
Yeah, you have a
it's
daughter.
fine.
How
Her age
old are
isn't
you?
on the.
How old are you?
I'm
What's wrong
30.
with you? I'm fucking wow at this age.
What? Because I can do whatever the
Instantly
fuck I
talking
want
shit.
when my daughter isn't here.
Whatever the fuck.
Yeah, randomly
That's
meets you and
why.
then just goes so ahead.
What do you mean I'm selling my daughter? No, I'm not. Clammy, what the fuck?
Have you ever caught your daughter fucking another guy?
No? What the fuck? That's fucking gross, dude. The fuck?
She's 14. Is she skinny?
Of course she's skinny. I used to be skinny, so of course she's skinny.
Has she ever
What
sucked
happened,
a-
World of Warcraft? That's a good question.
Has she ever sucked a dick before in that case?
That's fucking gross. Don't talk about that shit. It's fucking gross.
Wait,
Lie.
you've had a
No,
kid
you've
for
sucked
14
before.
years?
Clammy, you're fucking gay. Fucking.
I mean, if you'd want anyone to take your daughter out, it's someone that plays WoW.
No, it would be when she's like
a
18.
rich Jewish boy.
18 and moved
Take
out
her
of my
out.
house is the only time she's dating.
I mean, she's gonna be like supervised by me because I'm 18. I'm an adult.
Fuck that.
What do you mean?
It's fucking gross.
Did she swallow?
That's fucking gross, dude. Don't fucking talk about that kind of shit.
That's just a
Sickening.
question.
You should encourage
I'm
her
not
to
gonna
start.
you know,
should
this
encourage her to
is
start
gone
early.
by. Fucking nasty shit. Fucking done with that. Not putting up with that. So fucking gross. Okay, watch this shit. Bam! I juked a motherfucking kick, bitch. Now what?